Nelson here sweeping the bowl. He's got to sweep it, there's too much water damage. Yeah! Sweep that shit. It's actually working. It reminds me of Jose when the flood happened at Food to Go. Just focus on getting one bit out. No, there's not.
Yeah, there is. Check it out, right there. It's alive and shit.
Where is it?
There.
It's a fucking worm.
It's keeping it real.
Get it out of here. Flood down the hill.
Check out